So as you can see, on my M72 bike, I had to strip down the front fork because I have a problem with this yoke. These two holes are not parallel. When you put the shocks inside the holes, instead of being parallel, they are like this, they are crossing, and because of that the front fork it will not work when you have the wheel with the axle tight. So I have searched and found another bottom yoke, which is not perfect, but because we have some wearness problem in the low area here where I have the bearing, but the seat for the bearing it is below this part, so we have a good seat for the bearing after all. So this is original part. We can see the difference between this Chinese part and this Russian part. Also, here is the seat for the bolt. You can see it is properly done. And look at the seat of this one. So this is a piece of worthless iron. It is not good. I'll keep it just as a model. Maybe I will talk with the turner and maybe he will be able to rectify this hole, but I don't know if you can see, but this is the problem, this hole in the right. This is okay. This is twisted like this, and you need only 1 or 2 millimeters to be twisted and the bottom yoke will not be good. And now this is the stem pipe that I had to fit here. The problem it is a little loose because in the past I believe they have changed the stem pipe, and on this one I had this stem pipe that I had to cut in order to press down this part, which it was here, and I had to cut this pipe because, as you can see, it is damaged and it will not pass through the bottom yoke. So now I had to do something with this pipe. I think I will put some solder here, rectify and press on the bottom yoke. Okay, now after some work on the bottom yoke in order to clean and paint and also to fit the stem pipe, I have managed to put in order the bottom yoke. In order for the stem pipe to be pressed in the bottom yoke, I had to put some solder on the pipe. Also, I have rectified on the lathe, and this way I was able to press the stem pipe in the bottom yoke. And before pressing, I have used also a green Loctite. So the stem pipe, it was pressed in the bottom yoke, and also with the Loctite, with the solder, I had a good feed in order to press and in order to be the stem pipe to be locked down in the bottom yoke, and now it is all okay. I had also another problem. When I was tightening here the bottom yoke, I was not able to pass with the bolt through this hole, so I had to enlarge the holes, but now it is okay. I don't understand why I had this problem. I have measured the pipes here, and they have the correct dimension, but these are the problems on a Russian bike. Also, now I have to check the mounts for the headlight. I had a little problem in the past here, but now I think it will be okay with this bottom yoke. I don't know if you can see, but now I have the stanchions of the fork aligned. I can see with my own eyes that they are in the correct position now. They are not crossed anymore. Also, the fork is traveling easy. So I just have to continue the work in order to assemble the rest of the fork. And I'm sure it will be okay now. Okay, these are the original rubbers M72, Russian ones. As you can see, they are pushing the yoke too much. This original BMW, they are a little thinner here in this area, and I will test, and I suppose the yoke will go down. Now I have the original BMW rubbers. It is already better. In this area it is still a little up, but that is because of the mount. Do not forget, these are Chinese mounts that I had to rectify myself by hand, and for the moment I will use these mounts. In the future I will search another mounts, but these days they are hard to find good quality or original M72 mounts. But I will use the original BMW rubbers. As you can see, they are fitting quite good quality. This is the code, and it can be ordered on any BMW leader dealer, sorry. After I have finished to assemble all the parts on the front fork, I have made a test on the road, and now the front suspension is working just fine. I am content about the result of this work, and now I just have to continue to run this bike and to eliminate some other small problems that I have to solve.